So, I says to Jacko the other day, well, what's your bucket list? He's like, well, you should know. I'm like, well, Jackson, you've nearly done it all. What more can Dad do? He said, well, you remember when you used to live in Tuscany? And I said, well, yeah, but you weren't alive then. He said, well, I've never been there. And I went, well, look, I can't take you there. I've got to get you on a plane, Jackson. Are they going to let me do that? Get you through customs quarantine and all that jazz? Well, this is the spot we've been looking for. Let's do it. Let's get it. Jackson approved. Super sexy, super grippy, Harrier titanium MTB pedals. Woohoo! Let's go. Ah, the crisp air of the mountain. It's like right on the edge of raining, but it's not. Seems that little climb there of 60 vertical meters was well worth it. The climbs are so gentle that you hardly notice when you reach the apex and you've got a bit of a downhill to go. You can pick up quite a bit of speed through here. Hi guys. Hello. Check out these views. Well, I must say, old chap, that is a stunning ride if I do say so myself, Jackson. Well done, good pick. Yeah, happy days.